Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to the class of graphic designing. Whether you are someone who is always been fascinated by the visual arts or you are someone who is completely new to design, this course is a perfect place to begin your journey into exciting world of graphic designing. In this course, we will cover the essential foundations of a design, from understanding the color theory and choosing the right fonts to learning how to arrange elements from the most important. And we will also get the hands on with real world projects. We will also gain confidence in using industry leading tools such as Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, and even more user friendly options like Canva. I will guide you step by step through mastering these tools and bring your creative ideas to life. What set this course apart is that we won't just stop at technical skills. You will also learn that how to create the stunning designs for various platforms, from print media to social media graphics. We will also explore that how design principles adopt to different contexts so that your work is versatile and ready for the market. And along the way, we will also dive into the latest design trends, keeping your skills sharp and up to date. Plus, you will also learn how to build a strong portfolio that showcases your talent. Whether you are looking for freelancing, getting hired, or simply enhance your brand, by the end of course, you will have a deep understanding of both the art and the science of graphic designing. And you will also be able to create the professional level projects with confidence. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get started with the creative journey together and turn your passion into design career. So let's begin our course that include with a little introduction of it. Now I will guide you through what is design. The word graphic means the pictorial art. Pictorial art is anything that is expressed in the form of pictures, and it is also something that is visual. Visual means anything that is related to sight or seeing. Means that अगर कोई ऐसी चीज़ जिसका ताल्लुक आपकी नज़र से या आपके देखने से है वो आपकी विजुअल में आती है और जो आप चीज़ें अपनी पिक्चर्स की फॉर्म में एक्सप्रेस करते हैं वो आपके पिक्टोरल आर्ट में आती हैं। तो ग्राफिक की अगर हम ओवरऑल इसकी एक इस वर्ड को समझें तो इसका मतलब है कोई भी चीज़ जो हम अपनी आंखों से देख सकते हैं और वो पिक्चर्स की फॉर्म में एक्सप्रेस हुई होती है। इट इज़ ग्राफिक एंड इट इज़ एसोसिएटेड विद इमेजिनेशन जिसके अंदर हम इमेजिनेशन करते हैं, इसमें एक्सप्रेशन होते हैं, इसमें आर्ट वर्क होता है और ऑल दीज आर यूज्ड इन टू एक्सप्रेस आवर आर्ट वर्क इन द फॉर्म ऑफ drawings, our paintings and lettering. So first of all we imagine, we put that imagination in our expression and those expressions are in presented in the form of our art through different modes of graphics like drawing, painting, and lettering. Next are some examples. For example, we can look at photographs. They are visual, we can see through our eyes. Next are drawings, the line arts, the maps, the graphs, typography, numbers, symbols, and diagrams. All these are the examples that you must have heard in your early childhood or in your school life. Next is the design. The word design means it is a solution to something. Solution to what? Solution to a problem or a task. A problem can be in any form related to design. For example, if you have a problem that you want to run an ad for your product, you have a problem, you all gathered your imagination and express those in the form of artwork and find its solution and it converted into a design. The same goes with the task. You are assigned with a task, you find its solution and it is converted into design. So basically this is design. Here are some examples. For example, the problem that a designer faced by a client is that he has to make a product with some specific features. Like the product should contain the cushion, it should be of hardwood. It functionality is described in the, for example, it is used for sitting purpose and office work or study purpose, and its size and its shape, its color, style, its armrest, all those things are a kind of a problem that is faced by a graphic designer. So this was a problem. Then he, after getting a problem, he started thinking and working on it, and he found a solution to it, and he converted that solution into practicality. So basically the problem got its thinking, it got solution, and it was converted into something practical. For example, this is something that was a problem that was described to the graphic designer by the client, and this is the design. So, the overall graphic designing definitions and examples are all over the world that vary differently. But I think this is the one I found it easier for you to understand. It is a craft where professionals or beginners, even like you, don't be panicked that you are not a professional or you are not going to get over it. You can also start with it. They create visual content to communicate the messages. The main thing that matters in it is that message communication. For example, you can see all over your city, all on the roads, there are billboards, there are ads running all over, and you can see them, they are trying to convey some sort of message. In the ads there are banners, they are in the form of flyers, they are in the form of brochures that are either delivered at your houses. They are all kind of ads, they are trying to communicate the message that there is a sale on that shop or something like that. So this is graphic designing. Now, after you have understood the definition of it, now next you think that what is its scope, what you should do after doing graphic designing, is it even worth it or not. Its scope all depend on you yourself. If you are consistent and you think you can do it, then it is for you. And if you think you are going to drop it right here after listening few minutes of my lecture, then I think you should stop and not carry on any further. And if you are interested in this field, I think there is a long way for you to go, and you can find many sources, many examples, many practical works, and many they are. It is a vast field that you can discover all over the world. You can even get good offers in freelancing field, and it is all about creativity. So, if you think you can do it, let's begin now. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Stay updated, stay tuned, and let's meet in our next class.